How to fix WhatsApp profile picture problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and here just scroll all the way down until you find here WhatsApp, and now just click storage, and first thing click clear cache, and then click force stop, this one here, click on it, and then go to permissions, allow storage here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.